find me on Instagram _SophieVincent_ with a PH, no F's, sorry. And this next song I will actually be releasing very soon. I just finished recording it over the summer. Got the final mix, or I'm about to get the final mix back. And so follow me on Instagram for updates on that. And you can find me on Spotify, Apple Music, anything like that, just by searching Sophie Vincent. So this is Love Letters.
Was that convenient? Were we typical, you and me? When it's girl and it's meant to be. So the boy just gets up and leaves. Was that your weekend? Entertaining your beck and call. Hopeful eyes into southern drawl. Did I make you feel so damn tall? Oh, I was sneaking into your basement. Call it a birdcage, call me a raven. I don't think I can forget your face. You were dripping over your words, over the edge of your songbird. Couldn't fly, couldn't feel she died. I breathe in hope, the next day I see you were the messages I write. And then the mailbox waiting, my friends make jokes. I know they're pitying me, just need one single note. 'Cause all your love letters are fading. Were you ever into me, or just into my body? Gave your friends some imagery, was it destructive? Where was that one-way streak, where your soul not stop burning? 'Cause mine's on fire every day of the week. Oh, slither through the garden, apple of my eye. Take me apart, we're skeletons who've been bled dry. Just push me away. You don't get to love and to leave like that. Don't get to love and to cut me in half. I breathe in hope, then exhale. I see you burn the messages I write, and at the mailbox waiting. My